Want to turn speech from audio or video into text right on your Mac? Here's how. Open Transcription Pro. It's available on the Mac App Store. Drag in your audio or video files, one or multiple at once. Yes, multiple. That's it. Transcription happens automagically. It's ridiculously fast. Benchmarks show that 1 hour of speech took under 30 seconds on average on a MacBook Pro with an M4 chip. Review and edit transcripts in the built-in editor. Split them however you like, by words, sentences, or time ranges. The app is tuned for both monologues and conversations, handling distant speakers, background noise, and even marathon recordings like a champ. All this heavy lifting is possible without an internet connection. Everything runs offline, which means your privacy stays yours. And when you're done, export to plain text, CSV, SBV, SRT, or VTT. Whatever works for you. Transcription Pro supports 10 languages, but heads up, it doesn't translate. Its mission is laser-focused, delivering crazy-fast, accurate transcripts that save you hours of typing. Become a Transcription Pro with Transcription Pro. Made with care, named with efficiency.